Loon just pulled her out of the tub and then she went right back in. It's very funny. Loon just likes to pull her out. Probably do it right now again. Look at her, look at her, look at her. Oh, that's too funny. Uh-oh. Oh, Loon, leave her out here, sweetheart. Oh, no, don't take her in the den. Oh, there we go.
Look at that.
Oh, look at you.
Look at that.
Oh, but can you see her? That is adorable.
Should we take her to nurse?
I don't know what she's going to do. Here she goes.
Look, they walk.
She's gonna run.
Oh no, they're going. Oh. Okay, we'll get to see her go up on her little rocks. Oh, oofda. Look at her. Oh. Oh my God. She's gonna nurse right there. She's gonna nurse right in the hallway. Oh goodness.
That is cute.